Hey there! If you've ever wondered how some businesses seem to effortlessly reach the right people on Facebook and Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into meta ads, what they are, how to set them up step by step, and even how to analyze their performance so you can keep improving. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer or just curious, this video will give you everything you need to grow and succeed. What exactly are meta ads? Meta ads are advertising tools you use within Meta platform. Basically, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and even Audience Network. Instead of just hoping people stumble on your page, meta ads help you target specific audience based on your interest, behavior, location, and more. It's a smart shortcut to put your message right where the people who care are scrolling. Setting up your Meta Ads account. Okay, before we jump into creating your first ad, you'll need a Meta Business Suite account. And here's how you can do it. Go to business.facebook.com and log in with your personal Facebook account. Click Create Account and fill in your business name, and your business email. Follow the prompt to add your business details like address and phone number. Once inside the business suite, connect your Facebook page and Instagram account. This is essential because your ad will run through these profiles. Connecting your handles means you're ready to manage posts, comments, and ad campaigns all in one dashboard. Choosing your ad objective, why it matters. This is where many people get stuck. Meta asks you to pick an objective, basically what you want your ad to achieve. It could be a brand awareness, traffic for your website, lead generation, or even sales. Why is this so important? Because Meta uses these choice to optimize your ad delivery. For example, if you want your website traffic, Meta will try to show your ad to people most likely to click the link, not just glance at the image. Okay, here's the important part, audience control. Targeting the right people. Who sees my ad is the golden question here. The beauty of meta ads lies in audience targeting. You need to select demographics like age, gender, location, plus interests and behavior. This ensures your ad speaks to the folk most likely to care. Setting up your audience currently saves you money and boosts results. You don't just want more eyes, you want the right eyes. Think about your ideal customers, where they live, what they read, what hobbies they are into, and Meta makes it possible to pinpoint each traits. Now let's talk about special ad category. This is one of the most important part of Meta ads. If you're running ads related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, you must select this category. It is designed to prevent discrimination and comply with policies. When you activate it, some targeting options adjust automatically to protect user fairness, which is a good thing, even if it limits the targeting power. How much you should spend, daily versus lifetime budget. Now let's talk about money, which is always on your mind. Meta offers two main ways to control spending. The first one is daily budget. The average amount you want to spend each day. Meta will pace your ad spending throughout the day, helping you avoid big surprises. The second one is lifetime budget, a total amount you want to spend over the entire campaign run. Meta will spread your budget over the days until it's fully spent. Choosing between these depends on how you manage your campaign. Daily budget offers steady spending and are great for ongoing ads, while lifetime budget lets you set and forget for the set time frame. Choosing between these depends on how you manage your campaign. Daily budget offers steady spending and are great for ongoing ads, while lifetime budget lets you set and forget for a set time frame. Creating an ad that stops scrolling. With everyone's thumb swiping fast, your ad needs to grab attention instantly. Here are the few tips. Strong visuals. Use bright, clear image, eye-catchy videos, faces, movements, and color helps. Clear message. Get straight to the point. Why should someone care? Use short headlines and simple languages. Call to action. Tell people what exactly you want them to do next. Shop now, learn more, or sign up. And relevance. Make sure your ad matches your audience interest and pain points. Irrelevant ads get ignored. Analyzing your meta ads performance. Once your ads are running, don't just set them and forget them. Head back to Meta Business Suite to check your results. Look at these key metrics. Reach. How many people saw your ad? Second comes engagement, likes, comments, shares. How much is your audience interacting? Click through rate. How many clicks did you get compared to impressions? This tells you how compelling your ad is. And conversion. Did people take the right action you wanted, like buying or signing up? Regular reviewing helps you tweak your targeting, creatives, or budget. It's the secret sauce to get your better results over time. Meta ads can feel overwhelming initially, but with the right approach, they are one of the most powerful way you can grow your business online. Set up your account, connect your social handles, pick a clear objective, control your audience, budget wisely, and create ads that people actually want to stop and look at. Then keep an eye on how they are performing and never be afraid to adjust and improve. Thanks for sticking with me. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing that really works. I'm Snigdha from Navara Media. Catch you on in the next video.